Hey brats, what's up? It's Emmy and I've been having a bit of a rough time lately, so I'm gonna do my nails and some other self-care and just like chill with you guys. If you're wondering what I'm listening to, we're getting back into like 80s pop. So this is the 𝘽𝘼𝙉𝙂𝙎 iHeartRadio station. They play like The Cure and the Psychedelic Furs and a bunch of other people that I knew about and then some that I didn't know about. And I think discovering new music is like a really good form of self-care that people don't talk about, because it doesn't cost a lot of money to like find new music and listen to it, and it takes you, metaphorically speaking, it takes you different places. It's almost like travel for free. Like, discover new things that bring you joy, even in small ways. Here are my nails. It's Shani nail art. And so right now I'm just like leaning down, looking into my mirror and plucking my unibrow. Plucking my brows is often something that I don't do, or that gets like forgotten. Okay, so I plucked my brows more than I typically do. Like the tail is pretty much gone. Something really crazy. I have nose hairs and I don't have wax to like shove up and like rip my nose hairs out. So I just take a pair of cutting scissors and I very carefully kind of go around my nostril. So I'm gonna tone my face with this that Influenster got me. It's just witch hazel. It's nice that I got anything because I'm such a small influencer. Okay, so I've toned now. It's all oil. I didn't have any makeup on or anything. And I'm gonna mix together this, which is a sea salt mask, and it's blue. And I'm gonna mix together some calamine lotion. So I've been watching this one channel called 𝘨𝑚. I wonder what he would think of like me mixing stuff and my general skincare, which is like next to nothing. He probably wouldn't approve. I'm putting on chapstick because my lips are dry, and it's really important that you take care of your lips because they are the thinnest skin in your body. On your body? On your body. Oh, another self-care tip. Drink tons of water. So, game plan. I don't really have one. Like most of my life. I figure I'll just freestyle it and see how it goes, which I've watched Mondo on YouTube like every other person, and I know that this is going to go horribly, but that's okay because I'm not an impulsive person. I never do anything on impulse, so I figure self-care is sometimes letting yourself do something on impulse. And I just always loved the look of bangs. I've always just wanted to have them on my face. I'm gonna use tweezers to pull out strands. And then I'm gonna like measure. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, no. It's like sticking straight up. What the fuck? It's sticking straight up. Oh no. I just have a cloth here that's catching most of the hair. So the lady, when she cut my hair, she gave me a few side pieces and she like held it out like this and then kind of did that. But that's probably not right. Be careful you don't stab yourself in the eye. But like, why am I talking like this is a tutorial? No one in their right mind is following this, right? You know, I'm an artist, I'm a painter, I'm a singer-ish. So I hope when this is done, it looks intentionally artsy and not just like a big mess. It's definitely starting to set in what I've done. So this is kind of blend that. I can't have any more caffeine or I won't sleep. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to take my mask off. Mask off. Fucking mask off. I'm kind of moving and chopping, so you don't really get a very clean line, but more of like a diffuse look. I don't want to go too far back. And I do think that I'm a little bit of my like off. So I'm gonna take, first of all, split my hair into two pieces or two sections in the back. I'm combing it forward. And I'm just gonna You know, what happened here tonight was a stylistic choice with stylistic results. And let me know if this makes me look older or younger. You know, as I keep styling it and stuff, it'll look better, but these are them. These are them. Look.
You cut bangs! You cut your own hair!
Well, I took a lot of length off too. It's like,
I don't think it doesn't look it. To your credit, it doesn't look bad. Like, you did a good job.
yeah, I know I did.